In progress.
Hello all. So we're doing math. We're starting in our math workbook. We did not finish our work in our math work. So I'd like everybody, please get your math workbook quickly, math workbook. And I'll tell you the page shortly. Let me find it. We are going to page 134. 134. If possible, I'd like a student to write on the board 134. So 1, 3, 4. I'll try to show you in the camera. Here we go. Can you see? 1, 3, 4. Looks like that. Yeah. Okay. So in our maths book, we need to compare the 3 objects in each set. Choose the lightest and the heaviest object. Draw a line to match the object to the word. So let's have a look at our words first. So over here we have lightest, and heavier. We have a book, pencil, and pot plant. Which one do you think is the lightest? I believe we start with lightest. Is it the book, pencil, or pot plant? If I'm correct, it's the pencil. Yes, pencil is the light. So we're going to draw a line from the lightest object, the word light. Now next, book or pot plant? Oh, that's a tough one. I think it might be the pot plant. Let's have a look. Is it the pot plant? Yes, pot plant. So we're going to draw a line from pot plant to heaviest. Okay, so that was A. Next, let's go to B. We have fridge, table, and chair. Okay, this one. Which one is the light? Fridge, table, chair. I believe it's chair. And which one is the heaviest? Fridge. Let's draw our line. So first we're going to start with the fridge is heaviest. Fridge is heavy. And our lightest was the chair. Okay, C. C, we have a key ring. I don't have an example of a key ring with me, but this is a small object that goes on your. Next, we have a school bag, and maybe that is a folder. But which one do you think is the light? I think the keychain is the light. Look, yes, keychain is the light. And our next one, school bag or folder? School bag or folder? I think it's the school bag. Let's have a look. Yes, I was right. Okay, so one more time. A, lightest is the pencil. Heaviest, pot plant. D, heaviest, fridge. Lightest, chair. C, lightest, keychain. Heaviest, school bag. Nice and easy. When you are finished, close your book and please get your textbook. Now we need to go to textbook. Our workbook is up to date. Next, we need to get our textbook. Let me open it. Here we go. Textbook. And let me have a look. What page are we on? Had it earlier. There we go. Okay, we are going to page also 134. 134. 1, 3, 4. Okay. Let's go find 130. Oh, almost had it. First shot. Here we go. 134. Okay, so let's have a look. So it says measuring and estimating maths. Okay. So I want everyone to read along with me. Please read with me. We can use objects to measure the mass of other objects. Remember, mass is if it's how heavy it is. Here are some examples of objects that we can use. So we have a marble, a can, cube, and tennis ball. Now let's do an example of. Let's look at an example. So Ning wants to find out the mass of a water bottle. She uses cubes to measure the mass. Here are the cubes. I place the cube one by one on the scale until both sides of the scale are balanced. So as heavy as. Remember, as heavy as, and they are the same. So let's have a look. We have water bottle and cube. How many cubes equals one water bottle? So the water bottle is as heavy as 12 cubes. So 12 cubes equals one water bottle. Okay, so then it says, so the mass of the water bottle is 12 cubes. Okay. All right, this is an activity which we can't do. Not this one. Okay, so that page is 136. 136. 136. 136. There we go. Okay. It says at the top. Now look at the scale. Which gift box is heavier? By how much? So let's look at gift box 1. The 1 block stands for 1 unit. So how many boxes on the first one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so gift box 1 is 10 units. You see, so 10 units. Gift box 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16 units. So gift box 1, 10, gift box 2 is 16. So that's it. The mass of the blue gift box is 10 units. Yeah, we know that. The mass of the orange gift box is 16 units. Yes, we know that. The orange gift box is heavier than the blue gift box by 6 units. How did we get to 6 units? So to get to 6 units, we minus 16 from 10. So 16 minus 10, 6. So the orange gift box is 6 units heavier. 6 units heavier than the blue gift box. Let's look at some more examples. Okay. Chan has a toy truck. There's his toy truck. He wants to find out the mass of the toy truck using different objects. He uses some batteries and some lock. Batteries and lock. Let's look at the first one. How many batteries? 3. There's 3 batteries. Oh, there's 4. 3 or 4. Let me look closer. Oh, it's 3. But it says here about 4. I say 3. Anyway, so The truck is 3 by the, sorry, one more time. The batteries, 3 batteries equals 1 truck. Let's look at the lot. How many lot? Oh, that's a lot of lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What was that 7? So I see 7 locks, but he writes here 9. I don't understand. Let's keep reading. Okay. He first estimates. Okay, I understand now. He's guessing. So he goes, I think my truck is 4 battery. Or I think my truck is 9 battery. Okay, I understand now. Okay, so let's read together. He first estimates how heavy his toy truck is. He goes, I think my toy truck is about 4 batteries or 9 locks. So now we've counted. We know not 4 and not 9. Then he checks if his guesses are correct by weighing the toy truck and lock. By weighing the toy truck in the lock. So that bit is on page 173. 173. So it says the mass of the toy truck is 3 battery. Yes, we know that. We counted 1, 2, 3. The mass of the toy truck is 7 locks. Yes, we count. So it asks, did Chan make a good guess? I'm going to say no. What do you think? Yes or no? I say no. All right. Let's go on to activity. Just fill in the blank. So we have a chicken and cups. So A says the mass of chickens is cups. So how many cups equals 1 chicken? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 9 cups equals 1 chicken. Next we have letters. How many cups? 2, 4 cups. So then it says the mass of the letter is 4 cups. Yeah. Can you tell me what is heavier, chicken or letters? What is heavier, chicken or the letters? Very good, it's the chicken. Chicken is heavier. How do we know? More cups. Okay, next. We're going to 138. Where is it? There you go. 138. So it says, look at the scale, fill in the blank. 1 Lego block stands for 1 unit. So our muffin is 3 blocks, so 3 units. Our bottle of peanut butter. I like peanut butter. How many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think it's 11 units. So A said, the mass of the muffins is 3 units. So we can write 3. 3 units. The mass of the bottle of peanut butter is, yeah, I was right, 11 units. So we can write 11. Where's my mouth there? C said, the is lighter than the by units. So the is lighter. Which one's lighter? Muffins or bottle of peanut butter? The muffin is lighter than the bottle of peanut butter by unit. do we think the answer is? Our answer is 8. How did we get to 8? We went 11 minus 3. Well, 8. 11 minus 3 equals 2. That was number 2. Go to number 3. If I'm going too fast, student, pause the video. You can pause it. Okay, number 3. Look at the scale. Fill in the blank. So over here we have a punch. Yeah, there you go. Hole punch. And I think these are balls. Let's call them balls. Next we have our Lego block and our punch. So the mass of the hole punch is ball. How many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. The mass of the hole punch is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 blocks. So, next it says, one block is then the ball. So, do you think the blocks are lighter? Sorry, not the blocks, the balls. Do we think the balls are lighter or heavier than the block? So remember, if you have less units, that means the units are heavy. If you have more units, it means the units are light. So we have 8 balls and 17 blocks. So we know the balls are heavier than the blocks, which means the block is lighter than the ball. So we're going to write one block is lighter than one ball. Okay. Pause the video if you're not finished. Pause the video if you're not finished, students. Okay, so next we are going back to our workbook. Going back to our workbook. So let me close this. And where is our workbook? Here it is. Okay. So this one's finished. Here we go. So that page is 135. There you go. 135. Okay. Measuring and estimating mass. Look at the picture, fill in the blank. Let's have a look. We have milk and milk. And then we have blocks. And what are these? There might be a lime or a lemon. And I think it's a lemon. Okay, lemon. So the mass of the carton of milk is block. Now we need to count the block. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think 14. Very hard to see on the computer. So small. Yes, I was right. 14. So the mass of the carton of milk is 14 blocks. The mass of the carton of milk is lemon. Lemon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8. Lemon. C says the lemon is than the block. Remember, if you have many units, so there's lots of blocks, that means it's lighter. If you have less or little bits of lemons, it means it's heavier. So which one has the most? Block. So we know the blocks are light, and we know the lemons are heavy. So we're going to write the lime is heavier than the block. I'm going to wait a bit while you write. Okay. Next it says, more blocks are needed than lemons to measure the mass of the particle. Now we need to minus these two. What is 8 minus 14? 8 minus 14. 6. So 8 minus 14 is 6. So 6 more blocks are needed than lime to measure the mass of the carton of milk. So if you only put 8 blocks on here, you need to add another 6 for it to be on the same level. Next it says, if one ball is as heavy as 2 blocks, what is the mass of carton of milk in ball? Okay. So 1 ball equals 2 blocks. So how many blocks do we have again? We have 14. If I'm correct, we need to divide 14 divided by 2. This is a bit of a hard one. I don't know why we're doing it. I'll give you the answer. The answer is 7. So we divide. So we divided 14 by 2. Very hard to explain. I know you guys don't understand divide. So I'll just give you that one. The answer is 7. I think we're going to do one more page, then we are finished. I hope my video is not too short. If it is, I do apologize. But let's do one more page, and then we'll finish with math. So our next page is going to be 136. 136.
In progress.
Okay, 136. Let's start again. Okay, so we have towel, bathrobe, and bar of soap. The mass of the towel is, I want you to count how many, is 19 units. The mass of the bathrobe is 12 units. And the mass of the bar of soap is 4 units. So it says here, the bathrobe is lighter than the bathrobe, lighter than the towel. The bar of soap is lighter than the towel and bathrobe. The lightest. Next it says the is the heaviest. Which one's the heaviest? Which one has the highest number? Towel. And the is the lightest, smallest number? Bar of soap. Okay, so I want you to write everything down. Check that your answers are all correct. And we are finished with math. Once you are done here, I want everybody to go to the toilet. Because next, if I'm correct, we have Cool Kids. I want everyone to go to the toilet, drink some water, and get ready for Cool Kids. I'm going to stop the video, and I'll see you for Cool Kids.